everyone, glad to meet you all in this fine day. I'm going to explain how to overcome self doubt. Self doubt is a common situation nowadays found in most of the people. I describe self doubt as a thing that stops the growth of many. Let's see why in this presentation. What is self doubt? Self doubt is a troubling voice that holds you back. If you are indulged in an activity and you doubt yourself, you are surely to create an inferiority within you that helps you back. Self doubt is also the reason for missing many opportunities. As you are holding back, you are definitely to miss many opportunities as you are doubting yourself. It makes getting started or finishing things harder than you think. While you are starting or finishing some tasks, you develop some things like, will this thing be successful, or will it be I be respectful in the society? Like these things make you so harder to complete the thing or start a new task. Self doubt also sometimes help recognize a bad idea. Like a half baked cake, you can recognize some bad things in your activity and you can correct it. But mostly it behaves as a disadvantage for you. Here we can see three pictures depicting self doubt. Here in the first image, a woman uh, thinks that what if I fail and feels so sad about it. In the second picture, you can see a confused man full of question marks in his mind. In this third picture, you can see a kid so confused whether to say yes or no, doubting himself and ruining his thing. We saw that self doubt is surely a bad thing for a person, and we want to overcome this thing so that we can be successful in the life. Here there are some steps so that you can eradicate self doubt from your life, except for useful purposes. Say stop to yourself if it arises. Your mind should be strong enough to say stop to the self doubt so that you can be continue your task. You can look to the past and check if it is useful in any way. You can check if whether self doubt uh, meant a useful manner for you, or it is meaningful for you, or else you can easily eradicate from if you understand the importance of it. Talk to someone about it. You can talk to someone that I am doubting myself. Self doubt arises more often, so that they can help you, or by talking more you can also develop superiority among yourself, so you can be more confident. Don't get stuck in comparing with others. Comparing is one of the way by which you develop self-doubt. So this activity should be reduced from yourself. Few more that can help you. Start keeping a journal or a record. You can start to keep a record that today I am less doubtful about myself and than yesterday. This would develop yourself a confidence within you. People don't care that much you are concerned about your thing. They just see it as a part of their life than what you think as your life. So don't be so curious and concerned about your activity and carry on. Get a boost of motivation and enthusiasm. You should motivate yourself and be enthusiastic so that you can help yourself eradicate self doubt. Sharpen your skills and start being perfect. If you are perfect, then why you have to doubt yourself? You can be, you can do whatever you can. So you can sharpen your skills and start doing things perfect, and you can rock. Every change starts from you. You should eradicate I can do it to I can do it, and impossible, unachievable, everything you can throw it out from your mind. Here is a picture saying Uninstalling self-doubt that is so necessary for your life to achieve something. Don't develop negative thoughts that ruin your life. Thank you. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. This quote helps you in life. Thanks for listening to my presentation.